I was invited by Google Developers Group to attend the Build with AI workshop in Port Harcourt. This was me at home showing you my outfit. Here's also my sister's outfit. She's actually a speaker for this event. The time is currently 9:28 a.m. and this event is supposed to start at 9 a.m. It was a rainy day and we quickly booked a ride to the venue. This was me shaking my head because at this point I was feeling that we are very late, but my sister was so calm and collected because she knew that this event was not going to start on time due to the rain. We arrived at the River State ICTC department 20 minutes later. We quickly proceeded into the building where we got our tags at the entrance. We walked into the hall and the hall was so large. At this point people were in the hall but it was not yet full. Here is the full view of the hall. My sister was allocated her seat at the front where the speakers will sit, while I went to grab my chair. At this point the event had not yet started, they were still setting up the place. It's currently 11:12 a.m. and this is when the event officially started. Meet our host, Mr. Felix. He came in to give an introduction. At this point my sister was being called onto the stage to give her session. This is not her first time speaking at a Google event, and she gave a powerful session on how to use Google AI Studios. We had a live coding session with the second speaker, and this is the highlight of the day. They actually asked us to dance like chickens. Here they are setting up the chicken dance for us, and I thought they were actually joking, but they were fully serious.
Alright guys, let's go.
This is my friend's reaction to the dance. The dance was funny and hilarious, and the tone was so annoying. A room filled with turkeys were busy dancing like a chicken and flapping their wings. This dance lightens the mood of the whole room, and it was also a great way for us to stretch our arms and legs after a long session of sitting and learning. Anytime I think about this day, all I remember is this dance. It left a lasting memory in my head, and I find myself still dancing this dance at home every day. The dance actually lasted for about 3 minutes, and this is the end of the dance. Everybody was still laughing at this point. The time is 2:06 p.m. and we are back to learning. This is the third speaker for the day. He gave his session on how to build a multi-agent AI system on Google Cloud. Our fourth speaker taught us how to build a banking customer support agent with AI. His name is Etimode. He's actually my sister's childhood friend. The time is actually 2:59 and this event is supposed to close at 3 p.m. The fifth speaker came in and I was actually hungry at this point. She was still teaching at this point and she was assisting this boy with his codes. And here she was already done, so this workshop was officially over and they shared this book for us. Afterwards, we were asked to close our laptops and go take pictures outside. So I closed my laptop and kept it next to my sister's home. And here we were all standing up to leave this hall. We were going to take the pictures by the staircase, and by the time I got to the staircase to take the picture with them, the staircase was already full. Here we were done with taking the pictures. We couldn't take the pictures outside because it was still raining, so we were asked to go into the hall for more pictures, food and networking. This is actually the food they shared for us. They actually promised us jollof rice. This is the friend I made at this event. His name is Delight.
Build with AI. Build with AI. Build with AI.
The event was finally over and the speakers took pictures. My sister and I headed over to Needles to get some ice cream because we were tired and we had a long day. I tried out 3 ice cream flavors for the first time, and that's the end of my vlog. It was nice sharing my day with you. I hope you enjoyed this vlog like I did. Please subscribe. Bye.